Hey everyone, today I'm working on a Kia Soul. We had a misfire code, cylinder 2. I ran my test on my scanner, confirmed it was a cylinder 2 misfire. I watched some graphs of like the misfire count, and particularly on cylinder 2 is misfiring. I tested each coil pack to make sure they were running good. The test came back good. I did an evap purge test. Evap purge leak test tested good. I asked the customer when's the last time that they changed the spark plugs, and they've never been changed, so it's the first thing I'm going to tackle and go from there. As you can see, I got the spark plugs out, coil packs out, and then these are the spark plugs. This is cylinder 2. I'd say it's definitely time to change them. So I got all the spark plugs installed. They're down snug, probably like 10 foot-pounds. The final torque is 18 foot-pounds. I got my torque wrench set to 18 foot-pounds. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them up. .3.
And should be good to go now. I just got to install
The coil packs and plug everything back up and run a test and check for misfire. I also wanted to note that I used some boot grease on the boots just to prevent them sticking. I know it's just crammed in there, but what I'll do is I'll put it on the spark plug and twist it to spread it around. I also applied some anti-seize to the threads of the spark plug. Alright, after replacing the spark plugs, cleared the codes, and now I'm reading like a misfire. Reading the misfire graph, I have 0. Before, these two cylinders were just going crazy with misfires. So we're good to go on the spark plug end. No misfires at all.